Welcome to Turvoyan. Today, we're diving into the ultimate Thailand travel guide. From stunning temples and pristine beaches to mouth-watering street food and lively night markets. Whether you're on a budget or looking for a luxurious escape, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your trip. Let's get started. First things first, getting to Thailand. Thailand has two major international airports, Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok and Phuket International Airport. Round-trip flights from places like the US and Europe generally range from $600 to $1,200, depending on the season and how early you book. If you're coming from nearby countries in Asia, you can find flights for as low as $50 to $200 with budget airlines. The best time to visit Thailand is during the cooler, drier season from November to early April. Temperatures range from 25 to 32 degrees Celsius, 77 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. The rainy season, from May to October, is usually more affordable and less crowded, perfect if you're on a budget. Thailand has accommodations for every budget. In Bangkok, you can stay in a budget hostel for as low as $10 per night. Mid-range hotels usually cost around $30 to $60, while luxury resorts can go up to $200 or more per night. Chiang Mai and Phuket have similar price ranges, with the added bonus of beachside resorts in Phuket. Getting around in Thailand is easy and affordable. Tuk-tuk rides cost around $3 to $5 for short trips, and taxis in Bangkok typically start at $1.50. Trains and buses are great for intercity travel, costing around $10 to $40, depending on the distance. For a truly local experience, you can also take the boats along Bangkok's Chao Phraya River for less than $1. Thailand is full of amazing things to do. Here are a few must-sees. 1. Visit the Grand Palace in Bangkok. Entry is about $15. 2. Explore the temples in Chiang Mai. Many are free, but a few charge a small entry fee of around $2. 3. Enjoy a Thai cooking class. Classes typically cost $20 to $30 and are a fun way to learn about Thai cuisine. 4. Relax on the beaches in Phuket. Most beaches are free, but activities like snorkeling or boat tours range from $10 to $50. Here's a quick itinerary for a 7-day trip. Day 1. Arrive in Bangkok, explore the city's temples. Day 2. Day trip to Ayutthaya to see ancient ruins. Days 3 to 4. Fly to Chiang Mai, visit temples, and try a cooking class. Days 5 to 7. Head to Phuket for beaches and island hopping. This itinerary gives you a taste of Thailand's diverse experiences, from culture to beaches. Now, let's talk budget. For a 7-day trip, a budget traveler can expect to spend around $300 to $500, covering basic accommodations, street food, and public transportation. A mid-range budget would be $700 to $1,200, including nicer hotels, a mix of street food and restaurants, and a few paid activities. For a luxury experience, plan on spending $1,500 or more, with 4-star hotels, private tours, and fine dining. Before you go, here are a few tips. Currency. Thai baht is the local currency. ATMs are everywhere, but remember to carry cash for small vendors. Respect the culture. Dress modestly when visiting temples, and remember to take off your shoes before entering. Language. While English is commonly spoken in tourist areas, learning a few Thai phrases can go a long way. And that's your ultimate guide to exploring Thailand. We hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you want to go next. See you in the next video.